Hey everybody, got Martin Barkey here in the garage. Today I've got the Polaris Pro R behind me. I've got an MBRP exhaust system I can't wait to show you. So why don't we just jump right into it? I'll tell you all about it. First thing you're gonna see, we've got the stock exhaust tip on here. So our MBRP race exhaust system utilizes the stock tip. Bolt it on and away you go. Everybody knows we got the stock tip. We also have the spark arrestor up inside there as well. So why don't you jump inside here quickly with me and I'll show you some of the things that we have. Like quickly, stock hardware, stock form flanges. We've got a TIG welded muffler. We've got MBRP badging, of course, laser cut. This is a high flow, small race muffler, has a 3-inch core and it sounds like a race system. So just quickly, ease of installation. I love this support bracket that the engineers have put in there. No worries about breaking an exhaust tip. No extra stress on this exhaust tip hanging over here. It is robust. It's meant to take a beating. Now, stock hangers, ease of install. Ease of install is really the real deal here, as well as performance and weight saving. So 3 horsepower gained and 8 pounds saved. Now quickly, part number for this is AT9543PT. That is MBRP part number AT9543PT. And of course, that fits the 22 and up RZR Pro Rs. So we've heard the stock one. We know what that sounds. It sounds pretty good for factory, but let's get this one outside. We're gonna give it a rip and let you guys hear it. All right, everybody. Quick commentary, quick drive and a commentary on the Pro R, the RZR Pro R. I mean, this 2-liter, those of you guys that have this this car already, is absolutely amazing. I just want to show you and let you hear what the MBRP race system sounds like. So we'll take it for a little rip together. Got cams on and let you guys give it a listen. So at first startup, I love the startup of these cars. Now this one's nice and warm already. You know, it's got a nice little lumpity lump. The startup, it's aggressive. This is our race system. So it's got an aggressive sound to it, of course. But you know what, not obnoxious by any means, but definitely on the aggressive side. Coming off idle. You guys can see the RPM there. You guys can hear it. Very crisp, very fast in acceleration or in the RPM, so it's kind of fun to drive that way. You know what? If you're sneaking out of a subdivision or you know, a busy campground or something, this is an aggressive system. So you know what? You're gonna have to sort of mellow like this and watch what you're doing, I think. But all in, as we get to play around a little bit, it's nice. The throttle response and the sound is just super, super cool. I mean, I keep using the word aggressive, but it is just that. Throttle response is fun. Just adds to a completely more aggressive type driving style, and just a quick little rip with you guys. Nothing, I just want to get across, this is our race system. It's a direct bolt on, as you've seen in the other videos. It's built to last, it's built to perform. 8 pounds of weight savings, 3 horsepower gain, great throttle response. But if you're looking for mellow or super mellow, this is not the system for you. MBRP does have other systems for you. There you have it. That's the Pro RZR from MBRP, our race setup.